This type of before and after location transformation video is going viral on YouTube, TikTok, and Instagram right now. Just look at this channel. It has uploaded only 18 videos and already gained 25,000 subscribers. Its most popular video has 7.7 million views, another has 6.5 million views, and another has 4.9 million views. Almost every upload is getting millions and millions of views. Now look at another channel. It has uploaded just 27 videos, and nearly all of them are pulling in massive views. Their videos are also reaching millions consistently. The most surprising part is that these videos were created using a completely free AI tool. No paid AI software was used. Many channels are gaining millions of views simply by uploading these before and after location transformation videos. This method is 100% free. Then in today's video, I will teach you how to create this exact type of content step by step. The competition in this niche is still very low, and if you start now, your channel can get monetized easily. Many people say in the comments that AI-generated videos cannot be monetized, but YouTube itself has clearly stated that AI-generated content can be monetized as long as it provides value. Thousands of creators are already monetizing AI content successfully. So why are you still holding back? If you believe AI content is not monetizable, you are simply wasting time. People are earning hundreds of thousands of dollars on YouTube using AI content. In today's video, I will show you exactly how to create these videos. Do not skip any step, because if you miss something, you will not get the same results. Before we begin, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel. Now let's start creating these viral before and after location transformation videos. To create this type of before and after location transformation video, you first need to go to Google Docs. I will provide the Google Docs link in the description below. When you open it, you will see several prompts listed there. For this step, you need to copy the first prompt, which is a longer and more detailed prompt. After copying it, go to ChatGPT and paste the prompt into the chat box. Once you paste it, click the Generate button. This first prompt will provide you with multiple location ideas for your video. It will generate around 10 different topic ideas that you can choose from. These topics will help you decide which location you want to create a before and after transformation video about. Now that your topic is ready, choose any one of the suggested ideas. After selecting your topic, go back to the Google Docs file and copy the second prompt. Once you have copied it, return to ChatGPT and paste the second prompt into the input box. Inside this prompt, you will see text written in brackets that says, "Paste location idea here." You need to replace that text with the location idea you selected from the 10 suggestions generated earlier. Simply copy your chosen idea and paste it into that section of the prompt. Then click the Generate button. ChatGPT will begin creating detailed prompts for you. It will first provide an image prompt and then a video prompt. Using these prompts, we will generate a complete before and after transformation video using free AI tools. We will first create the images and then turn those images into a full AI-generated video. ChatGPT will first provide you with an image prompt, and below that, it will give you a video prompt. We will start by generating the images. Copy the first image prompt provided by ChatGPT. After copying it, go to a free image generation website. You can use Pipit.ai to create images for free. Sign up and log in to the Pipit website using the link provided. Once you create your account and log in, you will receive free credits that allow you to generate images at no cost. After logging in, you will see the main dashboard interface. There will be options for video and image generation. Click on the image option, then paste the first image prompt you copied from ChatGPT into the prompt box. Select the Nano Banana model from the available models. Next, choose your preferred image quality. In the ratio section, select the 9:16 aspect ratio. After setting everything correctly, click on the Generate button. You will see the generation interface, and your first image will begin processing and appear shortly. Wait for about 15 to 20 seconds, and your first image will be ready. Once the image appears, click on the Download button. In the download settings, select PNG format and choose the option to download without the Pipit watermark. Then download the image to your computer. After downloading, move to the next step. You will see a box with a plus icon in the corner. Click on it and choose the Upload from Computer option. Select the image you just downloaded and upload it. Wait a few seconds for the upload to complete. Once the image is uploaded, go back to ChatGPT and copy the second image prompt completely. Then return to Pipit.ai, paste the second prompt into the prompt box where your uploaded image is placed, and click the Generate button. Your next image will start processing. Uploading the previous image helps maintain consistency and keeps the results aligned with your transformation concept. After a short wait, your second image will be ready. Now that your second image is ready, download it in the original size without the watermark. After downloading, click on the Upload button again and upload this second image, because we will use the same process to create the third image and maintain visual consistency. Once the image has been uploaded successfully, go back to ChatGPT and copy the third image prompt completely. After copying it, return to Pipit.ai and paste the third prompt into the prompt box. Make sure your previously downloaded image is already uploaded before generating. Then click on the Generate button, and your third image will start processing. Wait a few seconds, and once it is ready, download it in high quality without the watermark to your device. The next step is to convert the images you have downloaded into a video using Flow AI. Flow AI gives you 100 free credits every month. So first, you need to sign up for an account. Once logged in, click on New Project. You will see a new interface. Here, select the Text to Video option and then choose Frame to Video. Next, click on the Upload button and upload your first downloaded image. A pop-up will appear where you need to select the portrait aspect ratio and then click on Crop and Save. This will upload your first image. After that, click on the plus icon next to it and upload your second image in the same way. After uploading the two images, go back to ChatGPT and copy the first video prompt completely. Once copied, return to Flow AI and paste this prompt into the prompt box. Before clicking the Generate button, click on the Settings button and adjust the settings according to your preference. After adjusting, click on the Generate button. Flow AI will start processing your video. Wait for about 15 to 20 seconds, and your first video will be ready. You will see that the result is smooth, and the transformation looks amazing. Once the first video is ready, click on the plus icon again. Upload your second image on one end and your third image on the other end. After uploading both images, go back to ChatGPT and copy the second video prompt completely. Then return to Flow AI, paste the second prompt into the prompt box, and click on the Generate button. Wait for 15 to 20 seconds, and your second video will be ready. You will see that the video is smooth, and the transformation effect looks perfect. After the second video is ready, click on the plus icon again and upload only your third image. Once the image is uploaded, go back to ChatGPT and copy the final video prompt completely. Then return to Flow AI, paste the prompt into the prompt box, and click on the Generate button. Wait a few seconds, and your third video will be ready. After all three videos are generated, download them one by one to your device. Click on the Download button for each video, choose the original size option, and save them. Your videos will be downloaded easily with just one click and will be ready for the final editing step. For the editing process, open CapCut using the link provided in the description. Once you open CapCut, click on the Import button and upload all three videos that you downloaded from Flow AI. Import them one by one. After importing, drag the first clip onto the timeline. Then drag the second clip next to it. And finally, add the third clip, so all three videos are placed in order on the timeline. You may notice a watermark in the corner of the videos. To reduce its visibility, click on each video clip and slightly zoom in. This will crop the edges and help hide the watermark. Apply the same adjustment to all three clips so the framing looks consistent. Make sure the watermark is no longer visible after cropping. Next, you can enhance your video by adding transitions between the clips for a smooth transformation effect. You can also apply effects, adjust colors, add background music, or include text if you want. Customize everything according to your style and preference. Once your editing is complete, click on the Export button. Choose your desired resolution and export the video. Save it to your device, and now your final before and after transformation video is ready to upload.